Is it that they're really unmotivated, or they're just not motivated to do what we want them to do? I think that's where it lands. So I've thought a lot about the what versus the how. I want them to learn the what, which is the curriculum, which is so important. But I think it's the how and the delivery I've got to really think about. I've got to lean into this audience. This is a very highly stimulated audience. Hey, it's important that they learn how to be bored, don't get me wrong, and how they can attend when they don't want to attend. But I have to get that delivery out right in the beginning. What am I going to teach? How am I going to teach it? And how am I going to grab them in a way that I get a little bit more motivation? So if you're wondering if it's a lack of motivation, think about it this way. I think everybody has internal motivation for what grabs them.